You've been using arrays all wrong. What if I told you they're slowing down your C# code? Today, I'll show you why list is the better choice and how you can optimize it for even better performance. Arrays have a fixed size. Every time you resize an array, a new one is created, and all elements are copied, wasting memory and slowing down execution. What's happening here? First, we create a new array new numbers that is one element larger than numbers. Then, we copy all existing elements to the new array, and finally, we add the new element. Imagine doing this repeatedly. Your program will slow down significantly due to unnecessary memory allocations and copies. So what is the solution? Solution is, instead of struggling with manual resizing, let's use list. It dynamically resizes and optimizes memory allocation. Instead of struggling with manual resizing, let's use list. It dynamically resizes and optimizes memory allocation. In this case, list handles resizing for us. No need to manually allocate memory or copy elements, just call .add, and the list takes care of everything. But did you know there's a way to make list even faster? Most developers don't realize this. List internally doubles in size when it runs out of space. This can lead to unnecessary memory reallocations. To avoid that, we can set the capacity up front. By specifying the expected size, we reduce the number of internal memory reallocations. This leads to fewer performance hits and a smoother execution. Use arrays when you have a fixed, known size. You need low memory overhead. Performance is more critical than flexibility. Conclusion: arrays have their place, but for most use cases, list is a smarter choice. Optimize it with pre-allocation, and you'll write faster, more efficient C# code.